In this video, I am going to talk about how easy now it is to create macro. Thanks to power of AI, thanks to Copilot and other generative AI platform like ChatGPT. And if you have got Copilot built in, which generally comes with all Office 365 license, and especially in case of personal or premium users, they're gonna get it. But let's say if you're enterprise users, it may or may not be. That totally depend on your organization if they might have provided you access. So now you can create macros pretty easy. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how easy it is to create macro. So I'm going to press here Alt plus F11. That will bring this kind of page, which is macro. If you do not want to press this, you can also go here in Tools tab and click on macro. Alright, now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click here on Insert and then I'm going to say Module. Now in Module, you need to paste a macro. So as I said, you can ask ChatGPT or any other AI to create macro. For example, here I ask ChatGPT to create a macro for creating a rectangle. So I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to paste it here and let's click on File. And then I'm gonna save this as a document. Probably I need to save it. And now let me close this file also. So let's close and we're going to press Alt plus F8. What this will do is this will give us option or window to run this macro. Now let's click on run and there we have it. A rectangle is being created in just one click. And not only you can create macros like this simple, but you can also create more complicated macros. Okay, complicated that is built with hundreds of line of code. For example, here this one where I asked ChatGPT to create macro that help us to automatically create company admit card. Let me copy this code and I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna press again Alt plus F11. Now here what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna click on Insert and then again Module, and this time I'm gonna paste this more complex macro. Now let's click on Close. And again, let's press Alt plus F8. And this time I'm going to choose this option, which is Generate Admit Card. Now let's click on Run. So it is asking my organization name. So I'm going to say Technoholic. Now let's hit Enter. It's going to ask me my name. So I'm going to say my name. Now it is asking me as a department. So I'm going to say Creator. Admin ID number. I'm going to keep it as it is. And phone. I'm going to say this is my phone number. And email, I'm gonna say again xyz@gmail.com, and let's hit again. Blood group, so I'm gonna say I don't know what it is, but let's keep it actually as A positive. Now here I'm gonna again feed emergency contact number, and there you go. I'm gonna click here on save, and here we have created or generated this admit card in just a click. Okay, so of course this is not perfect. We further need to refine it, but here my intent was to show you the power of macro. And now with AI, you can make it even better, or you can, make it easier. And as I said, when you have got this built-in Copilot, you can actually ask here to create a macro that can generate a circle. Let's hit enter here, and now here we go. Here we have this macro, and you know the drill, right? You need to copy this code and then you need to press Alt plus F11. That's how we reach in our macro tab, and we can create it by clicking on again same Insert Module and then paste the code. And then, you can close this, and then of course you can press Alt plus F8 and then can run this draw circle. Now, since we are only using shortcut key to run macro, there should be a way how we can easily, run it directly. So right now we do not see it, and we can actually make it easier for us by enabling the macro tab. For that, you need to click on File and go to Option. And then here we need to click on Customize Ribbon. Now here, go down and make sure you have enabled this developer tab. Now click OK. Now click on developer, and there we go. Here you're going to see macro that we have created in past. Now simply click on create to create new macro. Now I'm going to click on File, close. And that's how guys we can create macro. And of course we can take care of already created macro. If you want to delete it, simply click on delete and click on yes. And that's how guys you can manage these macros. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to office productivity. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.